Hi, Paulo here from Yeto Accounting and Tax LLC, and today I want to talk to the small business owners, self-employed individuals, or the new aspiring entrepreneurs, startup founders across this amazing nation or across the world. Right? I want to share with you some of the common mistakes that I see many business owners making or entrepreneurs making. And the first mistake that is common across the board is when clients come with a situation where it already blew on their face. So, in other words, they made the decisions without seeking professional advice, and then after it doesn't go as they were hoping it to go, uh, they go seeking a professional advisor a professional advisor. So whether it's they bought a new business or they sold a business or they bought or sold a real estate property or they ran the business and they only go meet with the tax preparer at the end of the year and hoping to pay less taxes. That's a little bit too late to make any significant change that can drastically help you, right? So that's mistake number one. And the solution to that is very simple. You got to find help where you don't have the appropriate skill set or knowledge that can help you or that can make a difference in your life, in your family, in your business, and in your future retirement, especially, right? So that's number one. Number two, that is often seen across the board, is the fact that many small businesses operate their business without proper systems, without proper structures in place, without the entire flow that makes a business operate even in their absence. And this takes a lot of time to build, to design. Most people are very good at their goods and services. They can sell, they can pitch, they can raise capital, but they are very poor designers of systems and processes. And that's where often businesses get in trouble because when the owner is no longer present, they can't really operate. Or when the owner want to sell the business, there isn't much to be sold because there is nothing that can help them, right? So the solution around this issue is simple as well. You have to take time to build your system, to build your processes, your sales system, your sales processes. You have to take time to build your accounting system, your compliance system. You have to take time to build your marketing, your client relationship management system. You have to integrate all these pieces to work in favor of your business. So the first mistake, as I mentioned, is the fact that a lot of small businesses go ahead, small business owners or self-employed, go ahead and make decisions without seeing a professional. And the second very common is the lack of systems and processes in place that make up the business. And the last mistake that I often see small businesses making is probably one of the saddest one, is not to think long term, is not to have a strategic plan that integrate their personal lives and their businesses. You can't afford to try to run a business without including into that business your personal and family life, right? What do I mean by that? You are running a business today, earning certain degree of income, but you have to think about your retirement. You have to think about 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years from today. You have to have a clear vision of I am running this business and in 20, 30 years I want to exit it, or I want to have my children to continue with the business if they want, or I want to sell these businesses, and how do I get there, right? That's how very often small businesses fail themselves. People spend decades working hard and they reach 60, 70 years old, they can't retire because the business can't operate without them, and they can't retire because they don't have enough money saved. So all these things have to be integrated. You have to be proactive with your business. You have to take into account all the pieces. You have to see professionals in areas that you lack understanding, you lack knowledge. Plan for your retirement. Plan for your taxes during the year. Seek professionals, right? So some people sometimes tell me, hey, I'm just gonna use a TurboTax to help me file my, I'm gonna file my taxes and it's done. Yeah, you think you're saving money by not paying a professional to do your taxes, to advise you on the tax planning, while you are actually losing money because you don't have the knowledge associated that the professional advisor could have given you around saving taxes, right? This happen all the time where clients lose on deductions, on tax credits, on exemptions, right? Because they want to take the shortest path. They want to save a few $100s when they are losing thousands of dollars. So my challenge to you tonight is to invite you to find a professional in your area that you trust, that is knowledgeable, that can help your business reach to that next level. Okay? So I want you to reach out to that tax advisor, to that tax planner, to that lawyer that can help you set up a trust, or help you plan your estate, that financial advisor that work with the people to help you set up a retirement plan with automatic contribution to help you go into the automated way to help you build your financial freedom. All right, and if you have hard time finding one, I'd invite you to give us a call, and we'll talk. We'll see if we can help you. And again, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to connect. If you have any question and comment, please link the link is under this video, and I hope to connect with some of you soon.